Hello students, this is question number 25 of IUQM 2024 and 25. And in this question they are asking us a finite set M of positive integers consists of distinct perfect squares and a number 92. The average of the numbers in M is 85, and if we remove 92 from N, the average drops to 84. If N square is the largest possible square number in M, then what will be the value of N? So first of all, we can see that some positive numbers they are talking about. So first of all, so we can write that a1 square plus a2 square, the average of these numbers, that is, let's say a n square plus 92 divided by n plus 1, this has been equal to 85. So this is the first equation. Now if we remove 92 from it, then we can see that this a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square plus an square divided by n. Now this value is they called it equal to 84. Now we have two equations which has been mentioned over here. Now from these two equations, I can just replace these values of sigma ai square into the first equation, and I can get the value of n as equal to 7. Now if we got the value of n as 7, then we can see that the numbers, that is a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square dash 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 plus a7 square, this is going to be equal to 84 into 7, and this is going to be equal to 588. Now if I'm going to take the values over here, now the values, if I'm taking that a1 we are taking it as 1, a2 if I'm taking it as 2, and so on, and a6 we are taking it as 6, then in that case we can see that the summation, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, 1 square plus 2 square, and so on till 6 square plus 92, or we can say plus a7 square, this is going to be equal to 588. So a7 square, we can see that it is going to come out to be equal to 588 minus simply 91. So we can see that a7 square, if it is coming out to be equal to 497, so this cannot be possible over here. So the next case we are going to assume over here. So let a1, if I'm going to take it as 2, 1, a2 as 2, a3 as 3, and a4 as 4, and a5 as 5, and a7 as 7. Then in that case we can see that the conditions is being going to satisfied. So this a7 square, this is going to be equal to 588. So from here I can see that a7 square will come out to be equal to 484, and which is nothing but the square of 22. So if it is the square of 22, that number we called it as n, and that n we need to calculate. So the value of n over here will come out to be equal to 22, and that has to be the final answer, and it has been mentioned by IUCAM final answer key as